Now it's time to learn the verb forms used in the present continuous tense. We form the present continuous by using the verb be and the ing form of the verb. Let's go check out the details. Here's a reminder of how we use be to make the affirmative form of the present continuous. I am or I'm. You, we, they are or you're, we're, there. He, she, it is or he's, she's, it's. Plus verb ending in ing. So we can say, I am walking in the rain, or you are looking tired today, and she is working at the moment. For most verbs, we form the ing form simply by adding ing. Sing becomes singing. Say becomes saying. Start becomes starting, and so on. However, there are some special spelling rules. If a verb has one or two syllables and ends in one vowel and one consonant, you need to double the final consonant before adding ing. For example, put becomes putting, and begin becomes beginning. If a verb ends in e, drop the e before adding ing. So write becomes writing, and ride becomes riding. And if a verb ends in ie, change this to y before adding ing. For example, lie becomes lying, and die becomes dying. Forming the negative tense is simple. Just use the negative form of be, verb, that we learned in the first milestone. I am not or I'm not. You, we, they are not, or you, we, they aren't, or you're not, we're not, they're not. He, she, it is not, or he, she, it isn't, or he's not, she's not, it's not. So we can say, I'm not walking in the rain. You aren't looking tired today. She isn't working at the moment. Note how the main verb doesn't change. It remains in the ing form. Only the be verb changes. To make yes or no questions, it's the same as when you make a question with be in the present simple. Invert the subject and the verb. Am I? Are you, we, they? Is he, she, it? Plus the verb ending in ing. So you can ask, are you working? Is she sleeping? Is it raining? Are we leaving? The short answers are the same as in the present simple tense with be. Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. I'm not. Yes, we, they are. Or no, we, they are not or aren't. Yes, he, she, it is. Or no, he, she, it isn't. Is not or isn't. For WH questions, we also invert the subject and the verb and simply write question word at the beginning. Where, when, why, how, plus am, I, or are you, we, they, or is she, he, it, plus the verb ending in ing. For example, where are you working? Why is she sleeping? How is it raining? When are we leaving? You can use the question word who to ask about a subject. In that case, we use is for the verb be like this. Who is using the bathroom? Who is controlling you? Great! So we've mastered the present continuous verb forms and arrived at the next milestone. Are you ready to go on to the next milestone? Or do you want to review this one first? I'll let you decide. See you soon!
1. I am studying for my English exam right now.
2. My brother is washing his car in the garden.
3. Look, the bus is coming.
4. We are having a great time at the beach today. 5. They are listening to their favorite podcast at the moment. 1. Are you working on a new project?
2. Why is the baby crying?
3. Are they watching TV?
4. What is your sister cooking?
5. Is the dog sitting by the door?
1. Sarah isn't eating lunch in the canteen.
2. The children aren't playing in the park.
3. I am not wearing a heavy coat today.
4. It is not raining outside right now.
5. You are not making a lot of noise.
'Where are you, Tom? Are you cleaning your room?'
'No, I am not cleaning my room, Mom. I am doing my homework.'
'What about your sister? Is she helping you?'
'No, she isn't. She is talking on the phone with her friend, Mary.'